Life moves fast. Work, family, errands, it's a whirlwind. It's easy to let healthy eating slip when you're short on time, but good food doesn't have to be a chore. That's where meal prep comes in. It's your secret weapon for staying energized and nourished no matter how hectic life gets. Think of meal prep as your nutritional insurance policy. It's about taking control of your meals and making healthy choices, even with a jam-packed schedule. No more last-minute takeout or unhealthy snacking. With a bit of planning, you can enjoy delicious homemade meals that fuel your body and mind. Imagine opening your fridge to find rows of colorful, pre-portioned meals ready to go. That's the beauty of meal prep. It takes the guesswork out of healthy eating. You're less likely to reach for unhealthy options when you have nutritious choices readily available. Let's face it, time is precious. In our fast-paced world, every minute counts. Meal prepping saves you buckets of it. By planning ahead, you can streamline your week. Spend a few hours cooking on the weekend, and you'll have a week's worth of meals ready to grab and go. This means more time for the things you love. Imagine, no more frantic morning scrambles or late-night cooking when you're already exhausted. You can start your day stress-free and end it with relaxation. But it's not just about time, it's about creating a balanced life. Meal prepping is a wallet-friendly habit too. By planning your meals, you can avoid impulse buys. Eating out less often means more money in your pocket. Those savings can add up quickly. Plus, buying ingredients in bulk can often save you money in the long run. It's a smart financial move. It's a win-win for your health and your finances. You get to enjoy nutritious meals without breaking the bank. And of course, the most important benefit of all, better nutrition. You can ensure every meal is balanced and healthy. Meal prepping puts you in the driver's seat of your health. You have full control over what you eat. You control the ingredients, the portions, and the quality of your food. This means you can tailor your diet to your specific needs. No more hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, or mysterious additives. You know exactly what's in your food. Just real, wholesome food that nourishes your body from the inside out. It's a simple step towards a healthier, happier you. Ready to get started? Let's dive into the essentials you'll need to make meal prepping a breeze. Meal prepping doesn't require fancy gadgets or a culinary degree. It's all about simplicity and efficiency. All you need are a few basic tools and a bit of organization. A well-organized kitchen can make all the difference. First things first, invest in some good quality containers. They are the backbone of effective meal prep. Glass containers are great for reheating and storing, ensuring your food stays fresh and delicious. While bento boxes are perfect for portion control and keeping things separate, they make it easy to manage your meals. Next, stock up on some pantry staples like grains, beans, lentils, and healthy fats. These ingredients are versatile and nutritious. These are your meal prep building blocks. They provide the foundation for countless healthy meals. Having them on hand will make whipping up quick and easy meals a breeze. You'll always be ready to cook something delicious. Don't forget about herbs and spices. They are essential for adding depth and flavor to your dishes. They add tons of flavor without any extra calories. Experiment with different combinations to keep things interesting. Now, let's talk about efficiency. Time management is key when it comes to meal prepping. When you're short on time, every minute counts. Plan your cooking sessions to maximize productivity. Batch cooking is your new best friend. It allows you to prepare multiple meals in one go. Cook once, eat all week. This method saves time and ensures you always have a healthy meal ready. Roast a big tray of vegetables, grill some chicken breasts, and you'll have the makings of several meals. Or cook a large pot of quinoa. These staples can be mixed and matched to create a variety of dishes. These cooked ingredients will form the base of your meals throughout the week. With a little planning, meal prep can be simple and rewarding. Let's get cooking. Today we're diving into some simple yet scrumptious meal prep ideas that will save you time and keep you nourished throughout the week. Here are a few quick and easy meal prep ideas that even the busiest people can master. First up, overnight oats. These are perfect for those hectic mornings when you need a nutritious breakfast but have no time to cook. Simply combine rolled oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite toppings in a jar. Shake it up well to mix all the ingredients and leave it in the fridge overnight. By morning, you'll have a creamy, delicious breakfast waiting for you. Voila! A healthy and delicious breakfast that's ready to grab and go. You can customize it with fruits, nuts, or even a drizzle of honey to suit your taste. Another winner? Salads in a jar. These are not only convenient but also keep your greens fresh and crisp. Layer your favorite salad ingredients in a jar, starting with the dressing at the bottom. Follow this with sturdy vegetables like carrots and cucumbers, then add grains or protein such as quinoa or chicken, and top it off with leafy greens. When you're ready to eat, just give it a good shake to mix everything together and enjoy a refreshing and satisfying lunch or dinner. It's a perfect way to ensure you get your veggies in. For a quick and easy dinner option, try prepping stir-fry kits. These are great for busy weeknights when you want something fast yet nutritious. Chop your favorite vegetables and protein source, chicken, tofu, or shrimp work well, and store them in separate containers. This way, everything is ready to go when you need it. When you're ready to cook, simply heat some oil in a skillet or wok. Add your prepped ingredients and stir-fry until everything is cooked through and nicely browned. Serve with brown rice, quinoa, or noodles for a complete meal. It's a versatile dish that you can customize with different sauces and spices to keep things interesting. Jar salads are a meal prepper's dream. They're portable, customizable, and stay fresh for days in the fridge. Plus, they're a great way to sneak in more veggies into your diet. Start by layering your dressing at the bottom of the jar. This prevents the other ingredients from getting soggy. Next, add your hard vegetables such as chopped carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and celery. These veggies hold up well and won't wilt easily. Then, add in your grains or protein such as quinoa, brown rice, lentils, chickpeas, or grilled chicken or tofu. Top it off with your leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. Seal the jar tightly and store it in the fridge for up to 4 days. When you're ready to eat, simply shake the jar well to distribute the dressing and enjoy. Stir-fries are a fantastic option for busy weeknights. They're quick, easy, and incredibly versatile. You can use whatever vegetables and protein you have on hand. Start by prepping your ingredients. Chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces and slice your protein source into thin strips. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add your protein and cook until browned on all sides. Remove the protein from the pan and set it aside. Add your prepped vegetables to the pan and stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're tender crisp. Return the protein to the pan and add your favorite stir-fry sauce. Cook for another minute or two, or until the sauce is heated through. Serve your stir-fry over brown rice, quinoa, or noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. If you're active and hitting the gym regularly, meal prepping is even more crucial. It ensures you're fueling your body with the right nutrients to support your workouts and recovery. Focus on incorporating lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats into your pre-workout and post-workout meals. For a pre-workout snack, try a small bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts, or a rice cake with peanut butter and banana slices. These snacks will provide you with sustained energy to power through your workout. After your workout, opt for a meal that combines protein and carbohydrates to aid muscle recovery and replenish glycogen stores. Grilled chicken or fish with sweet potato and steamed vegetables, or a protein smoothie with fruit and spinach are excellent choices. Fueling families, happy bellies, happy homes. Meal prepping isn't just for individuals, it's a game changer for families too. It takes the stress out of weeknight dinners and ensures everyone in the family is eating healthy, home-cooked meals. Get the kids involved in meal prepping by having them help wash and chop vegetables or pack their own lunches. Plan your meals for the week in advance and involve your family in the decision-making process. This will help ensure everyone is on board with the menu and reduce the chances of picky eaters. Double or triple your recipes to make sure you have enough leftovers for lunches or another dinner during the week. Invest in some kid-friendly containers and lunch boxes to make packing lunches fun and easy. Encourage your family to stay hydrated by packing reusable water bottles and filling them up throughout the day. Stay consistent, stay healthy, making meal prep a habit. Meal prepping is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that will have a big impact on your health and well-being. Don't get discouraged if you miss a week or two. Just pick up where you left off and keep going. Start by prepping 1 or 2 meals a week and gradually increase the number as you become more comfortable. Remember, every little bit counts. Even prepping your breakfast or lunch for the week can make a big difference. Set aside a specific time each week for meal prepping. Sunday afternoons or evenings work well for many people, but find a time that fits your schedule best. Make it a ritual and stick to it as much as possible. Join the meal prep movement. Recipes, tips, and tricks await. You're not alone on this meal prep journey. There's a whole community of meal preppers out there sharing recipes, tips, and inspiration. Join online forums, Facebook groups, or follow meal prep bloggers and Instagrammers for endless ideas and motivation. Experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy eating. Meal prepping shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be fun and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and try new things. Share your meal prep successes, and even your mishaps, with friends and family. Spread the meal prep love and encourage others to join you on this journey toward a healthier and happier lifestyle. You're healthier, happier. You start prepping today, so there you have it. Meal prepping is your secret weapon for staying healthy, saving time and money, and feeling your best, even with a busy lifestyle. No more excuses. It's time to take control of your health and start prepping your way to a happier, more energized you. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 meal prep sessions into your week and see how it makes you feel. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make in your overall health and well-being. Now go forth and conquer your week with delicious, nutritious, and prepped meals. Your body will thank you for it. Happy prepping.